Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's content. Looking across the board, you guys can see over the last 24 hours, we are seeing a little bit of mild red across the board within the markets. But overall, the broader picture, this month of December has lived up to the hype. As I've mentioned to you guys in my previous videos, that a lot of analysts are projecting that the month of December is going to close on a positive note. And as of now, so far, that has been playing out for us. But today I will be focusing more towards Cardano and see what's happening with the price of Cardano and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But looking at the price of Cardano right now, currently sitting at 31.3 cents. Down 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 0.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, the overall ranking for ADA right now is at that top 9th spot, so that is definitely something nice to note. Market cap is sitting right below that $11 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $160 million. So not bad on the price end of the spectrum. But before we jump into the charts and see what exactly is going on, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I really found this interesting, a little bit funny, and it's just worthwhile sharing with my viewers. You guys can see how people think it's like to hodl. People think, this is how it should be, to be quite honest with you guys. You know how to hodl, if you're in it for the long haul, this is how, overall it should be. You buy your tokens and either you stake them and kind of forget about them till the next bull cycle, and not just kind of compare the charts 24/7. Obviously, what it's actually like to hodl looks like this. A bike is going and then you plummet, and then a little bit of up and down, left and right. Some days are absolutely insane, some days are absolutely boring, but it should be like a learning lesson. Sure, it is like meme just for the fun, but remember, whenever you're hodling for the long haul, why do you want to be looking at the prices on a daily basis? There's no point. You just want to kind of forget about it. You could check it once a week, but not every single day, because you're kind of wasting your time at that point, because bull run is not coming anytime sooner than it's actually projected to come. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. But now let's look at the charts. What's happening with the price of ADA and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So looking at the daily time frame, you guys can see, if I bring out a little bit closer to you guys on the closer image, you guys can see the price has been trading sideways around this price movement. We are being supported by this wick that we saw back on November 9th after the FTX massive drop that we have seen. But like I said, this goes all the way back to the 2020 price ranges. You guys can see 2021, before we saw the bull run, we are being supported by some level of resistance back then. So what's going to happen now? That's the question that everyone wants to know. When are we going above this major level of resistance? And I've been saying this for quite some time. I really do believe that would be a sign of a reversal if we get above this level of resistance at that 40 cents mark. And currently we're about 29.3% away from there. But remember, we do need to retest some of these levels that we have not seen around that 33.53 cents. If we break out of here, guys, then, I would be very confident that, we could see the price retest this major level of resistance and kind of close above there. You guys always need to remember that, whenever we're charting the price, you always want to remember how important these levels of supports and resistances are. And, you can't make this up. Look where we're currently finding ourselves a little in resistance, and that's around these wicks that we have seen, which were obviously support levels, and we're facing that as a level of resistance right now. If we break out of here, things could start looking very nicely, but like I said, we do need to be above this level of resistance at that 40.5 cents mark. And obviously, looking at the price of Bitcoin has not been looking quite bad, to be quite frank with you guys. Obviously, today is Friday. We are going to see the weekend come in right now. And as you guys may know, the weekends there should there's a lot of manipulation across the board. So we could see a little bit of manipulation within the cryptocurrency market. But so far, BTC has been holding quite well around this level. But again, I'm not too convinced until we get back into the 78.6. And that would definitely be very, very, bullish for the entire space in the immediate short term. And obviously, I do expect that ADA is going to start making this upwards trend that we are anticipating for quite some time. This right here, the accumulation zone, in my personal opinion, is not going to last longer, even if the prices were to go down a bit, if Bitcoin were to take a retracement. But I don't see these prices sticking out for too long. And a long-term perspective, I've already shared this with you guys, where I see Cardano sitting at. I believe people are going to be looking back in a few years and looking back at these prices and really wishing, oh man, Cardano was cheap back then. But again, only time is going to tell. And you guys can see the top 2 most staked cryptocurrency right now is Cardano, with 71% of the circulation supply being staked right now. What does that show you? And also massive whales are accumulating. There's a lot of charts that I have shared with you guys in the past as well. And all of the data is in front of us. You may make the statement, oh, all these whales are buying, but the price is not going up, because the selling pressure is still quite high. The selling pressure is matching these whales' massive buy orders. And that's just like how it's going right now. But that's going to come to an end eventually. And that's when the excitement starts. So just wanted to share this update with you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, where you could see the price of ADA go in the immediate short term. What is your strategy? Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the Crypto ZX army. I love each and every one of you guys. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.